I'm gonna analyze about Google Classroom implementation and effectiveness at UiTM. Introduction and context about Google Classroom in UiTM is digital technology is transforming higher education globally. Google Classroom, a cloud-based LMS, has been widely adopted for its user-friendly interface and ability to enhance learning in Malaysia. Its success depends on infrastructure, digital literacy, and institutional support. I'm gonna analyze about Google Classroom implementation and effectiveness. UiTM, as one of Malaysia's largest public university, has embraced this platform. Our study has 5 objectives. First, to examine how lecturers use Google Classroom. Second, to evaluate its effectiveness in fostering communication. Third, to assess its role in supporting blended learning. Fourth, to identify its internal operational impacts on UiTM. And finally, to determine its external impacts on the broader education. And that is from me. Thank you.
Hello, today I will give an overview of Google Classroom. Basically, Google Classroom is a free cloud-based learning management platform which is developed by Google as part of Google Workspace for education. It is launched in 2014. It is also designed to simplify the process of creating, distributing, and grading assignments in a paperless environment while facilitating seamless communication between the educators and students. Uh, Google Classroom also serves as a central hub where teachers can organize course materials, post announcements, conduct discussions, and also manage assessment, all within a single digital space. Its core functions includes class creation and management, assignment distribution and grading, and a structured classwork page for easy navigation. This platform also integrates seamlessly with other Google applications such as Drive, Docs, Slides, Forms, and Meet, which eliminates the need to switch between multiple platforms. Google Classroom also operates entirely on cloud. Google Classroom also allows access anytime, anywhere, which makes it suitable for blended and hybrid learning environments. Research also shows that it is the most frequently used digital learning tool in Malaysian institutions, with usage rates reaching 79%. It is also valued for its systematic class management, paperless communication, assignment convenience, and online community interaction.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Muhammad Amir Hakim bin NORIZAL. For my part, I will explain how UiTM use Google Classroom to support teaching and learning activities. Google Classroom is the main online learning platform used by UiTM. It provides a central place where lecturers and students can access course materials, submit assignments, receive feedback, and communicate throughout the semester. Instead of relying on different platforms, Google Classroom brings everything together in one system. It also integrates with other Google's applications such as Google Drive, Google Meet, Google Docs, and Google Form, making the learning process more organized, efficient, and accessible for both lecturers and students. Now, let's look at the main function of Google Classroom in UiTM. First one is teaching and learning. Firstly, Google Classroom support teaching and learning management. Lecturers can create virtual classroom and upload learning materials such as lecture notes, PowerPoint slides, videos, and reference documents. Students can access these materials anytime and anywhere using their laptop or mobile device. This makes learning more flexible and encourage independent learning beyond the physical classroom. Number two is assignment and assessment. Secondly, Google Classroom simplifies assignment and assessment management. Lecturer can create assignments, set submission deadline, and grade students' work directly through the platform. Students are able to submit their assignments online without using paper, while lecturer can provide feedback and marks more quickly and efficiently. This improves the overall assessment process. Number three is communication and collaboration. Lastly, Google Classroom improves communication and collaboration between lecturers and students. Lecturer can post announcements, answer students' questions, and share important information through the platform. Students can also participate in discussion and collaborate on group projects using Google Docs and Google Slides. This creates a more interactive and elaborate learning environment. Besides, these are core functions. Google Classroom also works together with other Google Workspace applications to support blended learning. Next is a Google Workspace integration. Google Classroom is integrated with several Google Workspace applications such as Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Form, and Google Meet. This integration allows lecturers and students to store learning materials, collaborate on documents in real time, conduct online classes, and complete quizzes or assessments within one connected digital environment. As a result, teaching and learning activities become more efficient and convenient. Okay, next, last but not least, support for blended learning. In addition, Google Classroom supports blended learning by combining face-to-face and online learning. Students can continue accessing learning materials, submitting assignments, and communicating with the lecturers even outside the classroom. This approach provides greater flexibility, encourages active participation, and supports continuous learning regardless of time and location.
Here are the benefits of Google Classroom to the organization. First, Google Classroom enables lecturers to organize course materials, upload lecture notes and videos in a structured manner that students can access anytime and anywhere. It also simplifies virtual classroom management, which reduces administrative burdens and allows students to review lessons at their own pace. Second, the platform facilitates assignment distribution, submission, and grading in a digital environment. Lecturers can also set deadlines, attach rubrics, provide feedbacks, and return grades to a single system, which streamlines the assessment process while reducing paperwork. Lastly, Google Classroom also provides a central channel for announcement and discussion, which enables lecturers to share updates and respond to student queries promptly. This platform also supports blended learning by allowing students to access materials and complete tasks beyond the classroom, which encourage independent learning.
On this slide, we can see the impact of Google Classroom on an organization. First, Google Classroom encourages a shift to student-centered learning. Students become more active in their learning while teachers act as facilitators. Second, it increases engagement and feedback. Teachers can easily communicate with students, provide feedback quickly, and monitor their progress. Third, the importance of teacher training. Teachers need proper training to use Google Classroom effectively and maximize its features. Lastly, strategic implementation is needed. Schools and universities should have a clear plan, provide technical support, and ensure all users can access the platform successfully.
Next, impact on the industry. Google Classroom has fundamentally reshaped the education industry in three key ways. First, it has accelerated digital transformation. By integrating a learning management system into core teaching, it's driven schools and universities to a digital framework with digital literacy for both students and teachers. Second, it has driven a shift to paperless learning. By centralizing assignment and grading, its significant administrative time and cost. Teachers can now focus less on managing physical papers and more on providing quick feedback and monitoring student progress via Google Classroom. And third, it has enhanced educational accessibility, especially during the pandemic. Google Classroom enables learning continuity through remote and hybrid models. It allows students to access material anytime, anywhere, making education more inclusive. In short, Google Classroom is more than just a tool. It is a platform that has made education more digital, efficient, and accessible.
Conclusion. Google Classroom has become an important digital learning platform in UiTM. It helps lecturers manage teaching materials, assignments, assessments, and communication more efficiently, while giving students flexible access to learning resources anytime and anywhere. The integration with Google Workspace also enhances collaboration and supports learning. Although there are still challenges such as internet connectivity and digital readiness, Google Classroom continues to play an important role in UiTM digital transformation by creating a more innovative, flexible, and student-centered learning environment. That's all from my group presentation. Thank you very much for listening.